everyone. So here I am with another video. As you all know that I love making eye paintings, so I was thinking to make another. So I was like, oh, what to make, what to make? Like, okay, I should create my own eyes. So all I need is paper and some colors. So I'm gonna use my oil pastel colors जो बहुत पुराने हैं, सदियों पुराने हैं. As you all know that I love colors and I just so here we all sit. So I have covered my room with all fairy lights and I think it's looking very aesthetic. So no more because let's focus on our work. I know मैं बहुत स्लो ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, चलो फास्ट ड्रॉ करते हैं. Started coloring, so first time doing the base. To give my painting a final touch, I'm gonna use acrylic and downscale pencil color. So meanwhile, I was listening a song. So comments below who all love listening songs while doing any work. मैं थोड़ा और realistic look देने के लिए अपनी eyes पे लगा रही थी white color Actually guys, I don't have any stand, so therefore I'm just keeping my phones aside and just recording. Meanwhile, please subscribe my channel. जल्दी जाओ, मैं जब तक पेंटिंग बना रही हूँ सब्सक्राइब कर देना याद से, एक चलते मुसाफिर की तरह. वरना मुझे रोना आ जाएगा. जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर दो. No more bukwas. So I'll show you one magic. So 3, 2, 1. And here it goes. So this is how the final look looking like. I hope it's looking pretty much similar. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Wait. Subscribe तो कर दिया ना, घंटी भी बजा देना.